Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram Meta eye option not showing problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, go to Play Store application and search here Instagram. Your Instagram as app is already latest version and update. Okay, now go to your home screen. Tap on your Instagram. Tap on this icon. Scroll down here. Tap on storage. You can see that clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear cache. Next, tap on clear data. Tap on delete your Instagram all data. Okay, now go back to your home screen. Tap on your phone power icon. Now restart your phone and your problem hopefully solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.